Ricky here. Welcome to week 5 of my weight loss journey. I'm happy to report that I have lost an additional 3 pounds this week, which brings my weight to a total of 54 pounds lost. So very happy about that, but I still have 95 pounds to go to get down to 200 pounds, which is my target weight. And this week, I want to talk about the transition to a vegan diet. How has it been? What has been the hardest part? I haven't really touched too much on that in prior videos, but we'll go today. The hardest part, believe it or not, was the milk. Why was the milk the hardest part? Because I would drink about a gallon, maybe 2 gallons every week. Not the proudest moment, but you know. And now I've made the transition completely. At the beginning I tried almond milk, coconut milk, other types of milk, cashew milk as well. Never really liked the taste all that much. I mean, it was okay. It wasn't bad, but I didn't like the taste. But I found the best tasting milk in the market today, and that is the soy milk. It's wonderful. It's silky, creamy. I like to drink it with the coffee in the mornings, so that helps. Now I have to say, one thing that has helped tremendously are the new websites that are popping up. All these vegan websites that are popping up, vegan recipes. I mean, there's just so many options. There really is many options. I did a video where I tried this Beyond Burger. It was beyond amazing. It was awesome. So I'm happy about that. I'm very happy because I know that it's going to be easier to make that transition. It's going to be easier for you guys to make that transition as well. And I want you guys to remember, we also have our own website, CubanVeganLife.com. We have some recipes on there that I think you're going to like too. Cuban recipes. We're turning pretty much Cuban cuisine into vegan cuisine. My wife is a mastermind when it comes to this stuff. She's awesome. I have to say, she's kind of the captain when it comes to turning Cuban cuisine into vegan cuisine. It's amazing. You know, I'm the one that tastes the food, so I like that. What can I say? There's also this misconception that veganism is expensive. To buy vegan products is expensive, and it can be expensive if you buy a lot of packaged stuff. It can be very expensive if you do that. But if you don't, it can be very affordable. Compared to what we used to spend before on groceries, it's gone down. And I plan for it to keep going down, because the less processed foods that we buy, the less money we're going to spend. So that's one of the benefits of this diet, actually, that you don't spend a lot of money, contrary to popular belief. Potatoes, rice, beans, very inexpensive stuff. So I wanted to show you guys just how cheap it is to shop vegan. We went to El Presidente supermarket, and as you can see here, these bananas are only 79 cents a pound. Moving on to the strawberries for only $1.99. We bought 1 green bell pepper and it was only 30 cents. These plantains were on sale, 6 for $1. I love plantains. Tomatoes for 79 cents a pound. El Presidente usually does not disappoint with tomatoes. Always low prices, and I have to say, they are truly delicious. We did not buy any potatoes because we had some at home, but these are a bargain at only $2.99 for a 5-pound bag. They also had red potatoes on sale for $1.50. These 12-ounce bags are also on sale for 50 cents. We took advantage of the sale and bought 5 bags of these beans since they can be stored for longer periods of time. Time to go home with our grocery haul, and I have to say, these bags are heavy. But the damage was only 15 bucks. Now that's a bargain. Another very good option that I want you guys to consider is look in your area. There is so much good stuff around. Let me give you an example. My wife, she saw a vegan recipe. I don't know, it was on YouTube, another blog, whatever. and it was scrambled eggs. So turning eggs into some kind of scrambled eggs with chickpea flour. We looked online for the chickpea flour, and it was extremely expensive because it's considered a specialty item. And because it's a specialty item, supermarkets tend to mark up the prices. But she found an Indian place that pretty much sold it for pennies on the dollar. And it was just 2 miles away. That's just a very small example of what you can do. Look in your area if you're looking for something very specific. So remember, Asian markets, ethnic markets, if you're lucky enough to have them in your area, look around. You're going to find golden nuggets. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And always, always, always remember, stay strong and rise above.